All right, so in this lesson we are going to calculate and interpret. So calculate and interpret the volume of rectangular and triangular prisms. This time we are going to use a formula. So right here, I want us to look at this. And before we do that, let's answer this question. How many cubes fit inside or create the figure to the left? So this is a rectangular prism. Let's see how many cubes it would take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I see 12 right in this first sort of like layer, I guess. Well, this front part, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But there's also like a back portion. So there's like 24, right? I think there's 24 cubes. Let's see if that's like how much sense that makes. So I'm gonna draw the base. The base, I'll do it in a different color. So the base. Well, we can see, right? I'll do it like this. And then it's like back here also. It's just kind of harder to see, right? Like, you can even, if you want to, you can like lay it down there, right? So let's draw this base. So it's 3 units by 2 units. Okay, do the base. I'm gonna show it a little better here. This is by 2. This is by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's do this statement. So the bottom layer. So let's make that be the bottom layer. So I'm talking about this layer right here. Like that bottom layer is made of. It's made of 6, 1, 2, 3, and then in the back 3, 4, 5, 6. So maybe I should do this. I'm going to point to the bottom layer. This section, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is made of 6 unit cubes. We don't know if they're centimeters or whatever, but they're unit cubes. And there are, let's do this one orange, 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like the height. There are 4 layers. Therefore, the entire, oh, it says over there, the entire rectangular prism is made of, or can hold, it's kind of not perfectly hold because like it's taking up some space, I guess, or it can hold about 24 cubes. So I'm going to rephrase this again. On this bottom bottom portion, there are 6 cubes. And then there are 4 layers. So that means there's a total of 24 cubes. So the volume is 24 cubic units. Cubic to the 3rd power. Cubic to the 3rd power, right? Okay. This is the formula right here. So I guess we will use, let's use pink. For capital B, remember, is the area of the base. Not the base, but area of the base. And then H, well, I have an opportunity to use different colors. I'll use blue. H will be the height. Height of prism. And this is like how many layers or levels. I should write that little levels. Okay, let's keep that in mind. So let's draw our base. Let's draw our base, orange. and it's 3 units by 2 units. Now the thing is, I'm showing you the same example. I'm going to show you how to like show the work in the way that I want you to show the work today, okay? So this is my base. Well, it tells me to shade it, so I should probably, well, I'm going to do this. This is the inside. This is my base, right? And there's one down here, right? Oops. Okay. And volume. Volume is V equals, and we made this one B, and this one H. Okay, so B. So the area of the base. This is my base. My base is a rectangle. So to get the area of it, I need to do base times height. My base is 3 units. I'm going to multiply that by, oh, I should probably put that a little closer. 3 units, and I'm going to multiply that by 2 units. Remember, this is about my base. This is not the height of the prism. This is the height of my base, right? So the area of my base is 6 units to the second power. That looks like an A. To the second power. The height of my entire prism, the height, well, I made that blue, is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And so I'm going to do a 6 units squared, 6 square units, and I'm going to multiply by my height, which is 4 units. Okay, and I get 24 units times units. Oh, I forgot the squared. So units times units times units is units to the third power, or cubic units, or units cubed, or units to the third power. So the bottom layer, like this one down here, you see how this one's the bottom. Well, this is the very bottom, but the bottom layer, right? Where am I? Okay, pink. So the bottom layer, right here, the bottom layer is made of 6. You see how the bottom it has like 6? Like you can see 6 like squares on the bottom. If I need to draw them, I will. You see on the bottom you saw 6? So the bottom layer is made up of 6 unit cubes. You can see that the bottom, they're squares. There are 6 squares. That means there's 6 of these cubes on this bottom layer. And there are 4 layers, or the height is 4, right? 4, like bloop, 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 right here. And therefore, the entire rectangular prism, is made of, or can hold, about 24, right? So there's 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 24. I'll say 24 unit cubes. All right, next page.